I want to invite you to unbox with me this beautiful Flora Fairy 4-foot sumac tree. It also comes in 5.6 and 6.6 inches. This is a great size because it's so versatile. Let's look and see. It is very easy. It comes perfectly packaged. It comes with green moss and instructions. You can see how beautiful the different selections are. Different trees from Flora Fairy. This is the sumac tree. It is perfectly installed in its ceramic white pot, which is really beautiful and neutral, and you have the option of the different heights. You really cannot tell that it's not a real plant. It is lightweight, but it's good and sturdy. It is safe for pets and children, no harm. I don't have to look for something. It's perfectly ready to go, and it has a little cement in the bottom to keep it steady. It is very beautiful, lightweight to carry, but very secure in this base. I love this beautiful, beautiful sumac tree. Here is the finished result. This beautiful, beautiful sumac tree looks so real. It's stunning against this white wall here. I'm going to put it in a place of a bigger show in my home. It's beautiful, realistic, and it's completely transformable to the space that you're in. I love it. I love this aerial view of how it looks in this living room. Look how beautiful it looks in this living room. It fills this space that's perfect for a plant. It's lovely there. It's also beautiful in the corner of this bedroom personal dressing area space. So, so pretty. That's a spot where a plant is perfect, but it doesn't really get enough sunlight to grow a healthy plant. That's when this beautiful Flora Fairy artificial tree comes in handy. Another spot of beauty in the corner of a bedroom with lamps and mirrors. How perfect in this very tall space that could use some glamour and a little accent. This is a beautiful place for this tall Flora Fairy tree as well. I love it here. I was given this product in exchange for my honest review, and I highly recommend the beautiful Flora Fairy tree.